Today I'd like to introduce you to our CAMaster SignPro machine. This machine was specifically designed for sign makers with ease of use, space, and versatility top of mind. If you are looking to process aluminum, PVC, and acrylic to fabricate displays, letters, and signs, cut composite materials like ACM using our vision registration system, engrave with our available 14-watt diode laser, carve 3D signs in HDU, or do the digital finishing basics like vinyl and coroplast, this machine is the right tool. We also give you the ability to process foam up to 4 inches thick with our oscillating tangential knife and provide custom packaging and display options with our automatic tool change knife module. This knife module can automatically change between traditional knife blades, pizza wheels, creasing wheels, and multi-angled blades, giving the user numerous options for processing display, cardboard, and corrugated materials. First, all of our machines, including this one, is proudly designed, manufactured, built, and supported right here in Cartersville, Georgia. We use the best quality steel for our frames, side assemblies, and gantries, and we precision mill all the steel here in our facility to guarantee accuracy. All of our frames are welded, no bolts, to provide the most rigid foundation for your machine. This SignPro machine also features brushless digital AC servo drives with absolute encoders, paired with precision planetary gearboxes. Together, the drives and gearboxes create the most powerful and accurate drive system available. All of our CAMaster machines feature lifetime technical support. We stock all of our parts here every day and are able to connect to your machine from anywhere to quickly diagnose issues and provide resolutions. Let's go over all the details of the CAMaster SignPro and talk about the standard features and available options for the machine. First, we have our 5 horsepower HSD air-cooled spindle with automatic tool change. In the back of the machine, we have our linear tool rack. As you can see, the first 8 tools are dedicated to the spindle, and there are 4 tools specific to our knife. Currently loaded, we have a fixed angle knife, we have a utility blade, we have a standard saber blade, and we have a creasing wheel. We also have a pizza wheel and other oscillating and non-oscillating blades available. 2 different knife modules come standard with the SignPro machine. The oscillating knife is designed to cut thicker materials such as XLPE or packaging foam, gasket, and corrugated materials. The automatic tool change knife module provides the ultimate in flexibility. This module can be configured as a quick change knife, where the tool cones are manually changed out by the operator, or as an automatic tool change, just like the spindle I mentioned earlier, and can automatically change tools between creasing wheels, multi-angle blades, pizza wheels, and other tools to process dozens of different materials. We also feature our Cut vision registration system. This system reads registration marks that have been printed on the material to properly cut them to their printed size and shape. This system can be used with any of our available cutting heads. The SignPro also features a custom designed dust shroud to keep your shop as clean as possible. Here we have the 4-zone vacuum table. This table is designed to accommodate various sized materials and is easily adjusted by the operator via ball valves at the front of the machine, allowing you to control the flow of the vacuum. This is our tool measure switch, and this switch allows you to zero the height of your tool automatically. Conveniently located machine on-off and emergency stop buttons for operator safety. The SignPro also features some really great convenience features, such as a laser crosshair to help you zero your X and Y anywhere on the table, and central lubrication points to make maintenance a breeze. We also have some additional options available for our SignPro machine. Pop-up locating pins for easy material placement. These are great with working with sheet goods to locate your XY datum. We also have an automatic lubrication system that continuously greases all the wear points for you and virtually eliminates maintenance. Finally, this machine features a quick change tool option where you, the customer, can swap between our Cut vision registration system and our 14-watt diode laser. For more information on our CAMaster SignPro and all of our other available machines, please visit our website at cammaster.com.